Next up, sweeping the competition. For this, we'll be upgrading our broom. We'll need to see Albie Weeks in Hogsmeade. So map, Hogsmeade map, and we'll head back to Albie Weeks here. Teleporting to the Flue Flame right next to them, we can get into this shop here and talk to Albie. We can upgrade our broom here for 1,000, and this is absolutely worth it. While you're here, it's a good idea to clear out your inventory of things you won't be using. There we go.
I must tell you, half of Hogsmeade's been by the shop asking about rumours of a broom upgrade. Without the information you provided, my work would have taken twice as long. Thank you again. It may sound ambitious, but I've already begun work on another upgrade, more difficult to perfect than the last. I wondered, would you be interested in joining forces again? There's another course near Arendelle that Miss Reyes has mastered. If you were to test this first upgrade there, it may help me as I develop the next. Oh, you'll consider it, won't you?
Sounds as if you're really outdoing yourself. If I'm able to help, I will.
Thank you. I know this recent success was only the beginning of what I can do for broom flight. Report
There
back
we
as
go.
soon as you can, and we'll be off to the races.
Now I need to speak to Imelda Reyes all the way at the extreme far south of the map, here, or rather, middle of the south. We'll fast travel as close as possible, and we'll use our broom to fly the rest of the way. Using a broom to fly the rest of the way, grabbing the loot around here, let's speak to Imelda.
Hello, Imelda. So, another trial?
Of course it's another trial, and you'd better be taking part.
Does this mean you've changed your mind about me?
Well, you're a step up from the good-for-nothings who usually challenge me. While they sit around and hope to be the best, I put in hours of practice. No one sets records by wishing for them, and I need strong competition to stay on top of my game. Are you going to try to beat my flying record or not?
I'm ready to fly.
Finally, a decent challenge.
Right, so the next flight challenge, it's another race.
I'd say that was acceptable. Brilliant! I'm getting the hang of this. Brilliant. Made it. Brilliant.
You've improved, I must admit. That was a bloody good run. Be careful. Earn a reputation for talent around here, and some people get put out about it.
Sounds like you're speaking from experience.
Yes, well, I am. Anyway, you didn't do abysmally. I can't deny that. But you'll not have the same luck on the South Coast course.
We'll see, won't we? Till next time.
I half expected you to back down. Rest on your laurels. See you at the South Coast trial, if you don't lose your nerve. To race this course again, visit the podium with the leaderboard, where you can start the race and check your time.
I think rules against beasts in the dormitories should be enforced.
Another successful flight.
Now we need to return to Albie Weeks. The easiest way is to teleport back there.
Good news, Mr. Weeks. With your upgrade, I was able to set a new record at the Irondale course.
Brilliant! I knew the upgrade had fantastic potential. How did your broom feel?
It rides well. Does get a tad shaky at top speed, and the handle wobbles a bit when I hit a strong gust of wind.
Ah, yes. I see. I think I know how to address that. Thank you.
If it means another upgrade, the pleasure's all mine.
You sound as determined as I am to improve broom flight. It's a joy to have a collaborator like yourself. If I'm right, and I do hope I am, you'll be hearing good news from me soon. Thank you again, truly.
And just like that, we've now finished sweeping the competition. So thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.